What if you could plant a fruit tree this spring and be picking your own homegrown fruit within a year or two, not waiting a decade for your first harvest? Most people assume that growing fruit trees means a long, slow investment with years of patience before you see a single piece of fruit. And while some trees do take their time, the truth that experienced home orchardists already know is that a carefully chosen selection of fast-growing fruit trees can reward you with real, abundant harvests far sooner than you ever imagined. Today we are walking through the 10 fruit trees that grow fast, covering exactly what each one needs to thrive in American home gardens. From light and temperature to watering, fertilizing, pruning, and solving the problems that every beginner inevitably encounters. Whether you have a large backyard, a modest suburban lot, or even a patio with containers, at least one of these 10 fruit trees that grow fast belongs in your garden this season. The reason most gardeners are surprised by how quickly certain fruit trees can establish and produce is that they are comparing everything to the slow, stately pace of apple and pear trees, which can take 5 to 10 years to hit their productive stride. The 10 fruit trees that grow fast operate on a completely different timeline. Peach trees can produce fruit in 2 to 3 years. Fig trees planted in warm climates can give you fruit in their very first season. Mulberries trees are among the fastest growing fruit trees in North America, capable of adding 6 feet of growth per year. Under good conditions, citrus trees in suitable climates fruit reliably within 2 to 3 years of planting. Knowing which trees belong on this list and what they need is the starting point for a productive home orchard that does not require a tate of shading. The first of the 10 fruit that grow fast is the peach tree, and it earns the top position because it combines fast establishment, early fruiting, and the irresistible reward of a sun-warm, homegrown peach that makes every grocery store version taste like a memory of what peaches could be. Peach trees grow best in USDA hardiness zones 5 through 9, needing full sun for at least 6 to 8 hours daily and well-draining loam soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. They require a specific number of winter chill hours to bloom properly in spring, ranging from about 150 hours for low-chill varieties suited to warm southern climates to over 1,000 hours for cold, hardy northern varieties. Choose a variety matched to your chill hour. Accumulation. Plant in a site with excellent air drainage to reduce late frost damage to early blooms, and water deeply and consistently through the growing season, about 1 to 2 inches per week. Peach trees are heavy feeders and respond well to nitrogen-rich fertilizer in early spring, but avoid late-season nitrogen that pushes soft growth into fall. Annual pruning to an open center form is essential because peaches fruit on 1-year-old wood, meaning you must continually renew the fruiting wood through pruning to maintain productivity. The second tree on the list of 10 fruit trees that grow fast is the fig, and in climates where figs are fully hardy, zones 7 through 11, few trees are more beginner-friendly or more rewarding. Fig trees can produce fruit in their first or second year, require almost no pest or disease management compared to other fruit trees, and tolerate heat, drought, and poor soil with remarkable grace once established. They need full sun and warm conditions, love well-draining soil, and in colder zones can be grown in large containers overwintered indoors, or managed as a root-hardy shrub that dies back to the ground and regrows vigorously each spring. Brown turkey, Celeste, Chicago hardy, and LSU purple are among the best varieties for home gardens across different U.S. climate zones. Third among the 10 fruit trees that grow fast is the mulberry, arguably the fastest growing fruiting tree available to American home gardeners. Red mulberry is native to eastern North America. White mulberry arrived from China centuries ago, and hybrid varieties like Illinois everbearing combine the best traits of both. Mulberry trees grow rapidly, produce sweet fruit in enormous quantities, beginning as early as their second or third year, and are extraordinarily adaptable to a wide range of soils and conditions. They need full sun and reasonable drainage, but will tolerate clay, poor fertility, and urban conditions that would stress more demanding fruit trees. The main challenge with mulberries is managing the volume of fruit, which drops continuously over a long harvest window and stains everything it contacts. But productive gardeners who lay tarps under the tree at harvest time and process the fruit into jam, wine, and baked goods find the abundance completely worth managing. Fourth on the list of 10 fruit trees that grow fast is the citrus family, encompassing lemons, limes, oranges, tangerines, and kumquats that thrive in zones 8 through 11 across the South, Southwest, and California. Meyer lemon is perhaps the most popular and productive citrus for home gardens, capable of fruiting nearly year-round in frost-free climates and within 2 years of planting. Citrus trees need full sun, excellent drainage, and slightly acidic soil. They are heavy feeders that require a fertilizer specifically formulated for citrus, applied several times through the growing season. In colder climates, dwarf citrus varieties grow beautifully in large containers that can be brought indoors for winter, extending the range of this productive and aromatic tree family far beyond its natural hardiness zone. The fifth entry among the 10 fruit trees that grow fast is the nectarine, which is essentially a smooth-skinned genetic variant of the peach and shares almost identical growing requirements, timelines, and care needs. Nectarine's fruit within 2 to 3 years of planting require full sun and well-draining fertile soil, and benefit from the same open-center pruning approach that keeps peach trees productive. They are slightly more susceptible to brown rot and other fungal diseases than peaches, making good air circulation through pruning and avoiding overhead irrigation particularly important. Sixth among the 10 fruit trees that grow fast is the plum tree, discussed earlier in this series, which produces fruit in 3 to 5 years and grows with impressive vigor under good conditions. Japanese plum varieties like Santa Rosa, Methley, and Burgundy are among the fastest to establish and fruit, while European varieties take slightly longer, but offer excellent cold hardiness for northern growers. Plums need full sun, well-draining soil, and in most cases a cross-pollination partner planted nearby for reliable fruit set. Annual pruning to maintain an open center form keeps air circulating through the canopy and reduces fungal disease pressure. The seventh of the 10 fruit trees that grow fast is the apricot tree, a beautiful and early fruiting stone fruit that can begin producing in 3 to 4 years from planting. Apricots are among the first fruit trees to bloom in spring, which means late frost is their primary enemy in most American growing regions. Choosing late blooming varieties and planting in a site with excellent cold air drainage reduces frost risk significantly. Apricots thrive in full sun with well-draining, slightly alkaline soil, are more drought-tolerant than peaches once established, and require annual pruning to maintain productive wood. Varieties like Moorpark, Goldcott, and Goldstrike are reliable performers for home orchardists. Across the central and western United States, eighth on the list of 10 fruit trees that grow fast is the persimmon tree, which is deeply underappreciated by American home gardeners, despite being one of the easiest, most productive, and most beautiful fruit trees available. American persimmon is native across the eastern U.S. and extraordinarily cold hardy. Asian persimmon varieties like Fuyu and Hachia begin bearing fruit in 3 to 4 years and produce stunning orange fruit in autumn when most other fruiting trees have already gone dormant. Persimmon trees need full sun, tolerate a wide range of soil conditions including clay, and require almost no pest or disease management once established. They need minimal pruning beyond basic shaping and the removal of dead wood, making them one of the most low-maintenance entries on the list of 10 fruit trees that grow fast. The 9th fast-growing fruit tree is the pawpaw, native to the eastern United States and producing the largest fruit of any native North American tree. Pawpaws grow as multi-stemmed small trees or large shrubs, reaching fruiting age in 3 to 5 years from grafted transplants. They produce large, custard-textured fruit with a flavor often described as a blend of banana, mango, and vanilla, one of the most extraordinary flavors in the entire fruit world. Pawpaws need partial shade when young, transitioning to full sun tolerance as they mature, and prefer rich, moist, well-draining soil with a slightly acidic pH. Plant at least 2 different seedlings or grafted varieties for cross-pollination and reliable fruit set. The 10th and final tree on the list of 10 fruit trees that grow fast is the loquat, which is simultaneously one of the least known and most rewarding fruit trees available to American gardensmeners in zones 8 through 10. Loquat trees produce clusters of small, sweet tart orange fruit in late winter and early spring, filling the harvest gap when almost nothing else is fruiting in the garden. They grow quickly, establishing to a fruiting size within 3 to 4 years, and require full sun, well-draining soil, and minimal pruning beyond basic shaping. Their large dramatic leaves make them attractive landscape trees year-round even when not in fruit. Across all 10 fruit trees that grow fast, the foundational care principles are remarkably consistent. Every tree on this list needs a minimum of 6 to 8 hours of direct daily sunlight to produce well. And this is non-negotiable regardless of species. Planting in your sunniest available location is always the first and most important decision. Water management across all 10 fruit trees that grow fast follows the same deep and infrequent principle. Slow, deep watering that penetrates 12 to 18 inches into the soil profile encourages roots to grow deeply, building drought resilience and long-term stability. Young trees in their first 2 years need approximately 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week during the growing season, delivered by drip irrigation or soaker hose at the drip line, rather than at the base of the trunk. Mature trees are generally more drought-tolerant, but benefit significantly from supplemental watering during fruit development. Mulching is one of the highest return practices you can apply across all 10 fruit trees that grow fast. A 3 to 4 inch ring of organic mulch, wood chips, straw, or shredded bark maintained around the drip line of each tree conserves soil moisture, moderates soil temperature, suppresses competing weeds, and gradually improves soil structure as it decomposes. Keep mulch pulled back 6 inches from the trunk at all times to prevent the bark rot and rodent damage that mulch piled against the trunk can cause. Fertilizing the 10 fruit trees that grow fast requires matching the feeding strategy to the tree's growth stage and the specific nutritional needs of each species. In the first year after planting, most fast-growing fruit trees benefit from minimal fertilizer, allowing the root system to establish without being pushed to produce excessive shoot growth that the root system cannot yet support. Beginning in the second year, a balanced granular fertilizer applied in early spring before bud break provides the seasonal nutritional foundation. Stone fruits including peaches, nectarines, plums, and apricots are the most nitrogen-hungry members of the group. Figs, persimmons, pawpaws, and loquats need very modest fertilization and can be harmed by excessive nitrogen that pushes shoot growth at the expense of fruit set. Citrus requires specialized citrus fertilizer, applied multiple times through the growing season to maintain the continuous leaf and fruit production that characterizes this productive family. Pruning is the management practice that most beginners fear, and most experienced orchardists credit as the single most important thing they do for their fruit trees every year. For the stone fruits on this list, peaches, nectarines, plums, and apricots, annual pruning to maintain an open center form is essential for sustained productivity. For figs, persimmons, and mulberries, a lighter touch is appropriate, focusing on removing dead, crossing, and crowded wood to maintain airflow and light penetration. For citrus and loquat, minimal structural pruning to maintain size and shape, combined with the removal of suckers and water sprouts, keeps the trees productive without overstimulating vigorous vegetative growth. Always prune with clean, sharp tools, make cuts at a proper angle to promote healing, and disinfect your tools between trees to prevent disease transmission. Common problems across the 10 fruit trees that grow fast include fire blight affecting some varieties, brown rot on stone fruits managed through good airflow and fungicide timing, aphid and scale insect infestations, managed with dormant oil spray and targeted organic controls, and bird competition for ripening fruit that exclusion netting addresses effectively. Late spring frost is the most damaging environmental event for early blooming trees in this group. particularly apricots and peaches, and site selection that avoids frost pockets, is the most effective long-term protection. Root rot from poor drainage affects all 10 fruit trees that grow fast, making soil drainage the single most important site characteristic to evaluate before planting. Your orchard is waiting to begin. Every one of the 10 fruit trees that grow fast on this list is available from nurseries and mail-order growers throughout the United States right now. And every one of them can be in the ground this season, working toward the harvest that you have been putting off because you assumed fruit trees were too slow, too difficult, or too much to manage. They are not. Choose the trees that match your climate. Give them the sun, drainage, water, and basic annual care they need. And let this be the season your backyard becomes an orchard. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.